Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's paint a morning meadow and a moonlight waterfall. Let's begin painting our morning meadows. First, let's paint our sky with light blue color and a little bit of white mixed into it. Dab on some white paint to form cloud effect. Now paint the grass field using light green color. Once the paint dries, dab on some white paint onto the sky as shown here to form clouds. To paint grass blades, load dark green paint onto your fork tips. Place the fork on the paper and drag it in upward motion to form grass blades. Keep painting the grass until it covers the entire area. You can also use a plastic fork which has thin and sharp edges. Grassy meadow is completed. Now let's paint some flowers onto it. Load any color of your choice onto the fork and keep dots onto the grass. I've used pink, red, orange, purple and yellow colors to depict the flowers. Also, I'm painting white flowers to depict white poppy field. Our morning meadow is complete. Who all loves to enjoy the sight of a serene waterfall during the night time? Do let me know in the comments below. So let's paint it. To paint the night sky, I've taken black paint and I'm painting it only on the topmost part of the sky. As I descend down, I'm using dark blue paint and also I'm merging it along with the black paint. Using brown paint, draw the outline for the mountains. Before going to the next step, allow the paints to completely dry. Let's paint the moon. Load the brush with white paint and start to draw a round shape. Always start it with smaller size. Mix little bit of black into the white paint to form grey. Paint it in circular and dotted motion to form the crevices of the moon. Paint smaller and bigger dots on the dark sky to resemble stars. Now comes the fun part of painting the waterfalls using fork technique. Load light blue paint onto the fork and start dragging it in downward motion. Repeat the same procedure using white paint. Once you're happy with the outcome, move on to paint the rapid stream. Here I'm using same blue paint and also I'm mixing some white paint to give the water effect. Allow the paint to dry. Meanwhile, we'll complete the mountains. Using light brown color, tap onto the mountain area. Also repeat it with a dark brown color. White paint on a fork. Draw streaks horizontally to depict the water flow. To paint water splash, load white and little bit of blue and keep on tapping. Let's finish our painting with green bushes. To give it a dark look, I am going with black paint first and then dark green on top of it. Dab using light green. And here you go. Mesmerizing waterfall painting is complete. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.